We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
In this video, we will understand how to construct wedge in AutoCAD. So to construct wedge, we can select from this menu, or we can write WE short form of wedge in command prompt and press enter and can execute wedge command. I will select wedge command. So AutoCAD will ask for to specify first corner point of wedge. Instead of specifying first corner point with the help of mouse, I will press 0, 0 means origin as a first corner point of wedge. Then AutoCAD will ask for other corner point. Instead of specifying other corner point, I will press L enter to specify length of that wedge. So length will be always in X direction, so I will give 50 as a length of wedge. Then AutoCAD will ask for width of that wedge. I will give 10 as a width of that wedge. Then AutoCAD will ask for height of that wedge. I will give 30 as the height of that wedge. So my wedge is ready. We must understand that length of that wedge must be in X direction, width will be always in Y direction, and height of wedge will be always in Z direction. So to construct wedge, we can use 3-point coordinate system, and we can modify our XY Z coordinate according in the direction of wedge. In previous video, I have already mentioned how to define X, Y and Z coordinate. So I have defined X, Y and Z coordinate for my convenience, and now I can press wedge command. First corner point is a 0, 0. Then width will be always in Y direction. Instead of giving other corner point, I will press L enter. So my length will be always in X direction, that is 50. Width will be in Y direction, that is 10. Height will be in Z direction, that is 30. So we can understand that length will be always in X direction, width will be in Y direction, and height will be in Z direction. So that is all about wedge command. Thank you.